Hey there folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln, back at it again with another video. And you're going to want to stay tuned to this video for two reasons. One, this is the first F-150 Power Stroke diesel we've received down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. And two, Donnelly Ford Custom is going to accessorize it. That's right, folks. This is the first F-150 Power Stroke diesel we've received down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. New for 2018. This is a really cool engine. It's a 3-liter V6. It's going to give you 250 horsepower with 440 foot-pound of torque. That's going to give you 11,400 pounds of towing. That's going to be a little workhorse for you guys. Now, my customer factory ordered this one so he could get the exact truck that he wanted built around it. And we went with the Lariat 502A, so it comes very well equipped. As you can see, you've got the remote starter built into the key, obviously, with these beautiful trucks. It's a bi-directional remote starter, so that green light actually tells you that it did start, just in case you're a little bit far from the truck and you can't see it. Now, check out those LED lights in the front headlights there. That is really sharp. As you're going to be coming down the road, everyone's going to notice you for sure. As I come around the sides, you do see we do have the intelligent access. So all I have to do is put my hand on the driver's door there, and it's going to go ahead and open up for me. And then we do have the power deploying running boards there, so makes it pretty easy to jump up into this truck. As you can see, we do have the twin panel moonroof. Right now I've got the front opened up and the back kept closed, so you can see again, just in case you didn't want anybody in the back there getting too much sun on them, you can keep that part closed. And as you can hear, we've got that beautiful diesel engine sound. I'm a big fan of this truck here, and as mentioned, this guy's going to be a workhorse for you. Now, my customer went with the luxurious one, so you can see you've got the heated seats in the back here. You've got the 110 prong wall outlet. You've got the 2 USBs. Really convenient for keeping all the devices charged. As I come around the back here, you see we've got the spray and bed liner. Obviously, we've got the backup camera. We've got the backup sensors. We've got the trailer tow package there. So again, this is a pretty sweet truck, but just wait until we accessorize it. As mentioned, that's the other reason why this is going to be a really fun video. So again, we're going to take you through a walkthrough, show you the parts, show you them being installed, and showing the customer coming and picking up this beautiful F-150 Power Stroke diesel for the first time. Stay tuned, it's going to be a fun video. So here we are, folks. We're halfway through the build on this guy. As you can see, we've got a lot of the body kit on. We've got the rims and tires on. We've got the leveling kit on, and this truck is starting to look absolutely beautiful. As mentioned again, this is the first diesel that we're putting out here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln, and as you can see, it's gonna look really sharp. We've just got that front bumper to go on, a couple more pieces, and we'll be all set. There it is, folks, the first Power Stroke diesel we've received down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. And Donnelly Ford Custom has made another beautiful creation. Starting off with that leveling kit, as you can see, it gives it a really, really good stance. Makes that truck sit really well. We went with the 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler tires on that one, and then my customer picked out these beautiful fuel titanium rims, which really tie in well with the white color, I find. Next, again, obviously, we went with that beautiful air design body kit. So you get the spoiler, you get the tailgate applique, you get the fender flares, the door moldings, and the side vent there as well, which is always really, really nice. Again, you get the hood scoop, as well as the front bumper there with the extra LEDs down in the bottom, which again is really, really sharp. Now my customer went with the Lariat 502A, so again, as mentioned, it's a beautiful, beautiful truck, comes very well equipped. We've got the power deploying running boards. As soon as we open up the door, you'll see those go ahead and drop down, makes it easy to jump up in. We've got the twin panel moonroof. Again, this truck has come out very, very well. So just a couple of things left to do. We'll show my customer taking the keys, and then we'll show this vehicle leaving our lot for the last time. So stay tuned for that. First diesel Donnelly's putting out, and with the custom work, I think it came out really, really well. There you are. So what we'll do a handshake, I'll drop the key in the other hand there, and we'll look back at the people. There you go. There you go. So there it goes, folks. The first F150 Power Stroke diesel we put out down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. And as you can see, it's got those beautiful customizations to it. So this is going to be sweet. There it goes for the last time. If that's something you're interested in, definitely send me an email, and we can certainly set you up with any information you're looking for. I look forward to hearing back from you. Bye for now.